Hi, friends. I'm Kathy Evans, former junk food junkie turned wellness advocate and nutritionist. Does that surprise you? Well, confession, I cannot pass a Cheryl cookies without my knees going weak. Does anybody else have their favorite temptations? Well, speaking of goodies, I just got my latest order and I have to do an unboxing with you. So, you guys know that I have been deep into metabolic health ever since doTERRA came out with MetaPower. But here's what blew my mind. Sugar spikes speed up aging. And I struggled with hypoglycemia for years. And so did my mom and kids. Our blood sugars were going up and down all those years. But I never realized how it connected to things like memory loss, hormone issues, heart health, autoimmune, cellular mutation, endocrine disease, and even pain. So at the end, I will share with you what I have been working on. So let's jump into my must-haves. Okay, so we have the VMG and the EO Mega Bundle. They are inseparable. I fell in love with EO Omega's high DHA, and it is incredible for brain health. So I am aiming for 8% omega-3s in my blood. So if I eat my sardines and use this, it's going to be magic. All right, so the VMG, it is our upgraded lifelong vitality, and it is in powder form. So it's vitamins, mineral, and now it has the superfood blend, aka our greens. It has antioxidants to protect our DNA, and then it sustains my body over 8 hours. So don't have to take vitamins all day long. Plus, if you grab this VMG bundle, then this month you're going to receive this glass shaker bottle. Isn't it beautiful? It's glass, and then you have a 5 ml free peppermint that comes with it. Plus, you get a 5 ml product of the month. You don't have to wait till the 15th if you buy a VMG bundle. It is the MetaPower Metabolic Blend. So we're talking hello shrinking fat cells and craving control. That means goodbye Cheryl cookies. Okay, have you heard of our VIP perks? Yes, please. So when you reach the level of earning 30% back on your rewards orders, you get this really sleek doTERRA VIP bag and access to early release products. Like this month, we have the Yarrow Palm eye mask. And so very soothing to the eyes. And so you can see my post about my friends, Patty and Randy, who had so much fun trying them on. And then wait, there's more. The Adaptive 15 mil is 10% off, and I use that with sharpening my performance under stress. And I just love the magnolia and the wild orange in this blend. It's so relaxing, but at the same time, I feel more energized. And then we have the pomegranate cherry advantage, and it is here to stay. So I mix this with my VMG, and I also mix it with my PB Assist powder. Now, this keeps me sharp while my biological age moves backwards. So speaking of PB Assist and Restore, it actually has L-reuteri. This is called the missing probiotic that boosts happiness, hello, oxytocin, and supports muscle tone. So this is a must for anyone that's recovering from a dose of antibiotics or they're struggling with muscle loss. I'm really excited about this bag. I can put my glass shaker bottle in my VIP bag. I can get my VMG in there. I can get my MetaPower, and I can get my PB Assist. If I put my water in my water bottle, and I can zip it up and take it to work. So I'm excited about this whole package. All right, finally, are you ready for resetting your metabolism? So I put my best research on breaking free from early aging and chronic disease into an ebook. It is complete with food section, chart and bonus brain aging section. Now, some of you have already have my early version of PDF, and this is more complete. So shoot me a message and I'll email it to you. And guys, let's do this together. Share the video and the ebook. And if you know anyone looking for an entrepreneurial opportunity to partner with me, send them my way. The more people we have to spread the good news, the better. And here's to you living younger and longer. Thank you.